Get3D Mapper supports importing laser point cloud data and fusing it with image data for modeling. Multi-source data fusion modeling can solve the local texture distortion, feature voids and other defects in the 3D modeling process. Image data is first imported for aerial triangulation, relative orientation. For data containing control points, absolute orientation can be completed before importing the laser data for fusion modeling. Imports laser data. The laser data consists of last point cloud files and txt point cloud trajectory line files. Click Import Point Cloud Data, select the correct coordinate system, and import both the point cloud file in LAS format and the trajectory line file in txt. Note, the correct coordinate system should be selected for both files. Where the trajectory line file needs to correspond to time, x, y, z. Click OK and the software automatically matches the point cloud data with the track line. The two correspond to each other and the submission is successful. Click Tiling in Point Cloud Process to slice the tiles. Once you have finished slicing the tiles, you can view both the point cloud trace lines and the image photo shelf in the 3D view. Right-click to submit reconstruction for multi-source data fusion modeling.